Chapter beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my digital papers advent calendar 2024. I'm going to be doing a freebie a day throughout the month of December, so starting from the 1st up to the 24th of December, and then you get a very special one on Christmas Day, which you're going to receive a very large paper pack. Okay, so this is my way to say thank you to every single one of you for your continued support throughout all this year. And this is a series I do every single year on my channel. The freebie will be available on my Facebook group, so follow the link at the end of the video. So let's start and show you the freebie for today. Welcome to day number 21. Today is the 21st of December, and this is the freebie that you get today. Is a lovely background with a very deep but on the same time pastely yellow lemon with some purple floral on top. So this page here has been designed taking inspiration from my very popular mini digital papers called Lavender and Lemon. It's 4 pages, £1.50 together in total, and it's a collection of course lemon and lavender, hence the name. So you get tags, a lovely background, another yellow and floral background, and that's my favorite. Look at that. There's a lot of layers here, so you get some, you can see like purpley background, some teal leaves, some more like sketches style, and then the lemons on top. So it's all working together. As all my digital papers have been designed to be used to mix and match for your project. So as you can see, these 4 pages can be used all together. But let me show you where you can find today's freebie. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group, AntonioMakes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group, you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on file, you'll see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc, etc, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the 3 dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay guys, so throughout the month of December you can use the code ADVENT, and I'll put here on the screen, ADVENT 2024, to get 30% off everything on my website, including the kit that you just saw today, but also my workshop, my ebook, all my digital papers, etc, etc. I'm going to go guys. Thank you so much for watching. Big thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, and I will see you tomorrow for another freebie. Mwah. Bye.